Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through an interesting topic, and the topic is how to use WeTransfer to send videos, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see this is the website. We are already landed in here, and I just click to the accept, and here you can see this is the website WeTransfer.com. So when you will come over here, there is a just need to accept this one. I agree, you are almost there. I agree, and now you can eventually share your file to your friends or your colleague easily. How you can do it? You just need to be add files, or if you have folders you can do it. Get unlimited transfer, you just need to be increase the limit. By default you can send up to 25 GB or less. So here I just need to be click on add files, and I'm going to send this video to my friends, and my email too will be, so let's copy an email from that place. This will be my email address, so you can get the live result over that place. So I will copy this one, I will paste it here, and my email, my actual email is this one. Let's copy the email over that place. So here actually you can see how easy the process was. You don't need to be create an account, you don't need to be think about this one, and once it's done you can write a message, I don't forget to like the video, and then you just need to hit the transfer button. Just hit this one and confirm your email. You will get an verification code. Here you can see that we already got an verification code. We just need to copy this one, and then we just need to paste it here, and actually you just need to click and verify and set. And here you can see we updates from you with teams with selected partner to share offers and inspirations by email. You can unsubscribe anytime. No thanks. Okay, it is transferring, so finalizing. Do not close the window until we complete the transfer. You are done. Now you can see this is the link we get, and expire date will be in 13 July. It will be expire. You can set password if you feel to add it, like it is a credential where you just make sure it's a private here. Then let's go to here, and here you can see our file has been come over here. Just click get your files. Once I click over here, it will take a couple of minutes, and then it will download by its own. Here you can see we're nearly ready. Your files are ready now. You can download it. Just click over this download button, and it will be download in my desktop. This is the easiest way to send or transfer any file by using WeTransfer. I hope you understand how easy the process was. You love this video. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Until then, have a good day.